Have you ever been walking with a friend and suddenly you realize they're like 10 feet behind you? You aren't even trying to hurry, you're just moving. You aren't just impatient. According to psychology, there are 3 levels of walking speed, and each one reveals a secret about your brain. Level 1 is the observer, level 2 is the achiever, and level 3, well, level 3 is what scientists call overclocked. Most of you watching this are likely level 3. And while it feels like a superpower, it's actually a warning sign your body is sending you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which level you are and why being a level 3 walker might be accidentally rusting your body from the inside out. To understand why your brain is doing this, you have to see where you sit on the scale. Level 1 is the observer. These are the people you usually get stuck behind. Their brains are in receive mode. They're looking at the sky, the buildings, or just wandering through their own thoughts. They aren't worried about the destination because to them, the walk is the destination. They have the lowest stress levels, but they often struggle to switch into high gear when life gets busy. Level 2 is the achiever. This is the person who moves with purpose but stays calm. If they get stuck behind a slow group, they just wait. It doesn't ruin their mood. They can walk and talk at the same time without accidentally leaving their friend behind. Their brain is in control. But then there's level 3, the overclocked. That's you. If you're level 3, waiting doesn't just feel like a waste of time, it feels physically uncomfortable. You're the person who sees a slow walker ahead and feels a literal mission start in your brain. You don't just pass them, you overtake them. You calculate the gap, you pick up your pace, and you don't feel relaxed until they are behind you. When you're at a red light, you aren't looking at the scenery, you're staring at the cross street light, waiting for it to turn yellow so you can get a half-second head start. You probably hit the elevator button even if it's already lit up. And you definitely pre-walk toward the door before a meeting is actually over. This isn't a personality flaw, it's time urgency. Your brain is basically running on 2x speed while the rest of the world is stuck on 0.75x. But here is why this matters for your future. Your walking speed is basically a check engine light for your life. Researchers followed 1,000 people for 40 years and the results were wild. People who naturally walked slow were physically aging faster. Their lungs, their skin, and even their immune systems showed more wear and tear. But for you, the level 3 walker, you likely have a higher than average IQ and a brain that sends signals to your muscles at lightning speed. It's a sign of a young brain, but there is a catch. Because level 3 walkers have such a fast engine, they often fall into a trap. You've forgotten how to actually arrive. You're living 10 minutes in the future at all times. If you've ever walked into a room and forgotten why you're there, it's because your body was moving so fast that your brain already finished the task and moved on to the next thing before you even arrived. You're not winning at life, you're just rushing through it. So, how do you fix a brain that's overclocked? It's not about walking slow forever, it's about the 5-step reset. Tomorrow, when you're walking somewhere with no deadline, maybe just to your car, force yourself to take just 5 slow steps. Notice the air, notice the sound. Then you can go back to your normal speed. If those 5 steps feel physically painful or make you anxious, that's your sign that you're not in control of your brain. Your brain is in control of you. Walking fast is a superpower. It means you have the drive to change the world. Just make sure you're the one behind the wheel. So, which level are you? 1, 2, or 3? Tell me your most level 3 habit in the comments. I'm curious to see if anyone else stares at the cross street lights like I do. If this hit home, hit that like button. And if you want to understand the weird ways your brain works before everyone else does, hit subscribe. Go fast, but don't forget to actually arrive. I'll see you in the next one.